So hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a cover for a song or for an album. And so as you can see, I've already created a thumbnail because I'm going to upload it on YouTube. And so as you can see, this is a wrong format, wrong aspect ratio because it's a 16:9, and we need the 1:1. So I have to make it a square. So it's going to be something like that. So I have to make all the texts to appear in this square. So I'm going to work with it. So this is an advanced object, so I work in a non-destructive way, so I can change the previous edits. I've already made the mask of the subject, so if I want to make the text behind the subject, I can do this easily. Yeah, this is the bigger text, so I'm gonna make it a little bit smaller. Now the second text, this one. I'm going to remove these two layers from this group because this group has a mask that represents the subject, and we don't want that. Perfect. Yeah, this could be nice. Now we have to add the prod tag. I don't know where. Oh, he's here. No. Let's make it something like that. I would make something better by putting it behind the subject. It could be nice. As you can see, it's a better effect. If it's too harsh, you can do with a brush tool, small, with a 0% hardness, with the white, sorry, you can paint over the edges of the group, mask with the black. So yeah, this could be nice, but I want to make some other edits. So let me make it a smart object. Now let's go to camera filter. So as you can see, this aspect ratio is not real. We have a square aspect ratio, but don't worry, after the changes of the image, it will become as we were before. So look only in this transparent square. So yeah, I want to make it more bluish, more colder. I think this could be nice. With this you can see the before and after. Yeah, I like it. So the more contrast. Yeah, highlights, not too much. I had some texture, let's see. Yeah, I like it. Now let's go on color mixer when I had some red tones. Yeah, it's better orange than red. I like it more. Okay, and for the last effect, the vignetting, that I think is one of the best one, we have to delete cropped pixels. So let's press OK. Now we can do it. As you can see, I've cropped I have made an error. So what I'm going to do, so now that it's perfect, let's add the last effect, the vignetting. I'm gonna make it darker, so I'm gonna drag it to the left. Look how does it make everything more professional. Beautiful. I would add something colder, like not that much. No, it's perfect. And as you can see, this is the cover for my song. This is a quick preview. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video and the song. I invite you to put a like on this video, subscribe if you're interested for more design tutorials and how to enhance photos or how to enhance photos. If you're interested for making edits on your images or for creating thumbnails or posters, covers for music, album, use my email, business email, where you can contact me and we'll choose a price and everything you want. Just contact me. Thank you all for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed and see you soon.